Introducing the 2017 Cadillac CT6. With less than 100,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Indulge your passion for the exceptional. The CT6 sedan's refined style, curated materials, and future-ready technology will exceed your expectations. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, navigation system, sun, moonroof, keyless entry, premium sound system, power passenger seat, wood grain interior trim, heated mirrors, satellite radio. Quietly luxurious, unmistakably prestigious. That's the CT6 sedan.